So I've got another little house fix project today to do. We had a loft conversion fitted onto the house when we first bought the house about 22 years ago, where we basically lifted the whole of the front roof up and had two rooms fitted. One was a bedroom at the back and one was a bedroom at the front. Now since then the kids have moved out, so etc, so it's just Jan and I in the house now. So I converted one of the bedrooms into an indoor workshop, I guess, for me, that I built actually during COVID. We've got the other one still as a bedroom, and in that bedroom we've got a Velux window at the front here, but unfortunately the blind's broken. It's been sticking for a while, and then finally the other night I can't close it down, so I sometimes sleep up here and I can't get to sleep with the moon coming through and that, so that needs to be fixed. So I didn't think I thought it was more of a struggle to get it, but I went online and you can buy them quite easy. You have to get the model of the Velux window, which I'll show you the label where you get that from, and then you basically order the kit. They're not cheap though. I think it was about £75 for this. It's really expensive, but they're specific obviously to fitting into the Velux window. So I need to get the old one off and get the new one on. As you can see, I can't completely jam now. I can't get it up or down, so that needs to change. Basically, they're quite useful windows really. If you've got them, they'll lift up, as well as half lifting as well when you lift the back up here. So it's quite a good window for new one I was doing. There we go. You can have it so you can get some ventilation that way. Bottom line is here, I don't know if you can see that, there's a model number. So this one's GPL M08. That's the key that you do when you're ordering, because that'll tell the model of the blind. So you basically go onto a website that supplies them, and they'll be asking you that model number. So the blind arrived today. So out the box you get instructions. You get a little catch here, not quite sure what that is. Some screws, two new rails, and you get a top blind. I don't know, I didn't really look at this. I wonder whether, because I don't really need the rails, I just needed a new top blind, so whether you can just buy the blind only and it's cheaper, I don't know. I just need a screwdriver. It looks fairly simple. So it's a step by step. I've just got to remove the other one first by the looks of it, which will be the reverse of this. Existing blind I got is a different design to the one I've purchased, but it's just a different fitting, that's all. So I've just got to remove that one first. Star-shaped screws, it's all the way down here, so I've just got to take the rail off first of all, I think. I'm not 100% sure how this attaches into here, and I don't have the instructions, so I'm going to have to prise it off, I think. It's not going back on again anyway. I have no idea what I'm doing at the moment. I'm sure it just slots in. Oh, it's just... Yeah, so I thought there was a bit more to the catch, but in fact it's just, there's like a self-adhesive strip which is actually on the new one as well that pushes against this, so I need to clean that bar off. I don't know whether these little packers are used at all on the next one. No they don't, they actually stick up to there. Okay, those packers are needed. There's a self-adhesive strip here that you have to peel off and then attach. And by the looks of it, that goes on there like that. Okay, yeah, got it. And the self-adhesive is therefore here against this bar here. So I need to clean that because it's where the old adhesive is. There's a bit of dirt and that, so that needs wiping off first. So the next step is to get the new cassette, remove this adhesive tab and get that stuck there, and then you peel this back and there's 2 screw holes here to securely fix that in. So that's the next step. Okay, now I've just got to fix the rails in. So you've got to feed that into the fabric, I believe. Let's just check. Slide the fabric into the front of the channel of the side rail. There's a little brush there, so it's got to go into that channel in there. And then there's a screw I just fix at the end here. Okay, so just got to do the other side. Same thing again. Now just take the other one back off, as it's proven very tight. Good job I didn't tie it too tight. Let's do the other side first. That'll fit first time this time on this side. Let's try the other way around. Maybe it's a bit easier. There we go. That's better. There you go. Yeah, it's quite a tight fit, which is good. But let's put this screw down here temporarily. Right, it's quite a tight fit. You've got to make sure that the fabric is equal either side, so it's going into the rail. That was relatively easy. I just couldn't remember how to get the other one off, so if you have got to remove one, it's probably just a self-adhesive and you just have to break the self-adhesive to pull it down. I had to, as you can see, break it all up before I understood that. And then it's just making sure when you're putting a new one on, you're getting fabric either side that's equal. And it is a tight fit, but you want it to be a tight fit, so you just got to work at it a bit.